Revitalize old equipment with new performance at a fraction of the cost of replacing it. When a production manager of a coatings company brought a long-serving bead mill to Boyee, the equipment was facing a series of typical issues. Grinding fineness was becoming increasingly unstable, and production efficiency was steadily declining. Occasional leaks at the mechanical seal not only affected the workshop environment, but also led to frequent shutdowns. Noticeable operational noise, rising annual energy consumption, and increasing maintenance costs. Instead of investing heavily in a new machine with long lead times, the company chose Boyee's professional retrofit solution. Key issues identified during our pre-retrofit inspection: grinding chamber and rotor, visible wear marks on inner walls, cross-contamination due to material residue, grinding efficiency below design standards. Sealing system: aged mechanical seals exhibited leakage, causing paint loss and increased cleaning burdens. Drive and power unit: bearing wear, motor overloaded, excessive operational noise, and rising energy consumption data. Monitoring and control unit: deviations in pressure and temperature monitoring, process adjustments reliant on operator experience, and insufficient stability. For this equipment, we implemented the following modifications and enhancements. Improved grinding consistency. By applying high wear-resistant materials and a turbine rotor structure, residual material in the chamber is reduced, supporting narrower fineness variation between batches. Improved operational reliability. Adopting a double-ended mechanical seal structure and adding a centrifugal pump. Leveraging the pump's rapid coolant circulation and superior cooling efficiency reduces wear on the mechanical seal's rotating and stationary rings. Extends seal lifespan, minimizes leakage risks, supports continuous equipment operation, and reduces unplanned downtime caused by seal failure. Energy efficiency and noise control. Replacement of high-precision bearings, energy-efficient motors, and integrated air treatment units reduces operational vibration and noise while lowering overall power consumption. Process control and monitoring upgrade. Installation of pressure and temperature transmission systems enables real-time acquisition and adjustment of critical process parameters. This facilitates data logging and process traceability, minimizing manual intervention errors. Feedback from the enterprise after retrofitting. Equipment has resumed stable output with significantly improved consistency and fineness. Sealing performance has been enhanced, resulting in a cleaner production environment and a substantial reduction in downtime for maintenance. Operation is quieter and smoother, with a decrease in monthly energy consumption. Operators can monitor process status in real time through the system, making management easier. By choosing Boyee retrofitting, you gain not merely component replacement, but a comprehensive diagnosis solution implementation verification service system. We are committed to revitalizing the productivity of every aging piece of equipment, helping you achieve comprehensive improvements in capacity, quality, and long-term economic benefits at a fraction of the cost of new purchases. Interested in retrofitting or want to learn more? Feel free to contact us anytime for a free equipment assessment and customized retrofit solution.